In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate GitHub and manage your repositories with ease. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer to coding, these steps will help you get the most out of your GitHub experience. So let's dive in. First things first, we need to head over to GitHub. Open up your preferred web browser and type in GitHub's URL. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Having immediate access to all the resources GitHub offers starts here at your dashboard, giving you an overview of your recent activities, subscribed repositories, and much more. Once you're logged in and on your GitHub homepage, you'll want to head over to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your profile. This section is essentially your hub on GitHub, showing all your activity, contributions, and statistics. It's a great way to review your work and plan your next steps. On your profile page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Repositories and click on it. This tab contains a list of all the repositories that you have created or contributed to. Repositories, as you might know, are where your projects are housed. They contain all the files and version history for your projects, allowing you to keep track of changes and collaborate with others. Once you're in the Repositories tab, the next thing you'll want to do is take a look at the Pull Requests option, typically found in the upper part of your repository page. In the world of GitHub, a pull request is a way to submit contributions to a project. It's a request to merge your changes with the main project and is a vital part of collaborative project development. In the Pull Requests section, you'll find a list of all pull requests associated with your repository. These could be from collaborators or other developers who are suggesting changes to your project. Carefully review these pull requests. Look at the descriptions, code changes, comments, and any discussions that have taken place. When you're satisfied with the changes after your review, you simply click Approve to merge them. This step allows you to incorporate valuable contributions into your project history, ensuring continuous integration and development. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through GitHub, managed your repositories, and approved a pull request. As you continue to use GitHub, you'll find it an invaluable tool for version control, collaboration, and keeping your projects organized and accessible. Thanks for watching and happy coding.